Have you guys ever wondered why there are so many holes in a bread? Well, let's find that out in our Wonder Lab. Hi guys, Kate here and welcome to the Wonder Lab. Breads contain what's called yeast. It's a type of living thing known as a fungus. When yeast is mixed with water and sugar, yeast feeds on sugar and gives off carbon dioxide gas. Let's see how this happens in an experiment. We're gonna take a glass and we're gonna add half a cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of yeast, along with 1 teaspoon of sugar. We're gonna wait and see what happens. As you can see, bubbles of this carbon dioxide gas form in the liquid, creating a thick layer of froth on the surface as they try to escape. I waited for about 10 to 15 minutes to see this froth appear. All right, so this is all cool, but doesn't bread also contain flour? Yes, it does. And in this next experiment, we're gonna put flour into our mixture. And we're also gonna add a balloon on top. So we're going to repeat the previous experiment. I'm going to add half a cup of water into each glass. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna add dry yeast, 1 teaspoon, and also 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm gonna mix that up, but into the second glass, I'm also going to add flour, because like we said, bread contains flour. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of flour. And so that we can see exactly how much carbon dioxide gas gets released, we are going to pour the mixture from the glass into a plastic bottle. Gonna give it a good stir. Then I'm gonna use a funnel. So we're gonna pour this mixture with just yeast and sugar into 1 bottle, and our flour, yeast, and sugar into the second bottle. And then I'm gonna put a balloon on top of each of the bottles. There you go. I'm gonna put them in a warm spot and we're gonna see how fast these balloons inflate. This is the fun part. The balloon on the bottle that contains flour inflated more than the balloon with just sugar, yeast, and water. This happens because yeast feeds on flour as well as the sugar, so it produces more of the carbon dioxide gas. Now you guys know more about bread and why it has all these funny holes inside. And now that you know more about yeast, which is the hardest part in making bread, trust me, you can maybe make your own loaf of bread. If you love science and would like to see more of the science experiments that we do here in the Wonder Lab, feel free to subscribe to our channel. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the next episode. Bye for now.